Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use your SereneLife portable air conditioner the right way. If you just got one and aren't sure how to install the hose, connect the window kit, or start cooling your room, don't worry. Now here's the solution step by step. Step 1. Unbox and check everything. First, take everything out of the box. You should have the portable AC unit, exhaust hose, window kit, and drain hose. Make sure all the parts are there before starting. Step 2. Choose the right spot. Place the unit near a window and a power outlet. Leave at least 20 inches of space around it for airflow. Make sure it's on a flat surface, not on carpet or uneven floor. Step 3. Attach the exhaust hose. Take one end of the exhaust hose and twist it onto the back of the AC unit until it locks in. Then connect the other end to the window panel. This hose removes hot air from your room, so make sure it's tight and not bent. Step 4. Install the window kit. Open your window and place the window panel horizontally or vertically, depending on your window type. Adjust it to fit snugly, then close the window to hold it in place. You can seal any gaps with foam if needed to prevent warm air from getting in. Step 5. Plug in and turn on. Now plug the AC into a grounded outlet and press the power button. Use the mode button to choose between cool, fan, or dehumidify. Set your desired temperature using the up-down arrows. Step 6. Drain water when needed. If you see a P1 or full water tank message, it's time to drain. Turn off the unit, unplug it, and remove the drain plug at the bottom. Let the water flow out, then replace the plug tightly. Step 7. Use the remote control. The remote lets you control temperature, fan speed, timer, and mode from across the room. Just make sure you point it directly at the AC sensor for it to work properly. Important notes. Don't use extension cords. Plug the AC directly into the wall outlet. Clean or replace the air filter every 2 weeks for best performance. Keep the exhaust hose as short and straight as possible for efficient cooling. And that's it. That's how you set up and use your SereneLife portable air conditioner step by step. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick home setup guides.